We got fresh coconuts here. We're underneath here, fresh coconuts. Gigantic cucumbers here. Then we had bananas here that were very good. And I think this is more coconut pieces underneath of there. And I believe this is papaya here. And some more coconuts with a straw. All right. Okay.
Tastes like cucumber.
Drink it. I got the mask on here, so it fogs up my glasses, so a little difficult to see, but this is the archway we came through. And of course, out yonder is our ship, the National Geographic Lindblad Orion. And here's the zodiacs that we came in on. And then we walked up here into the village, and we had music and everything. And oh, by the way, yeah, I'm still here. Got the old mask on here, and I don't know if you can see the ship in back of me, but requirements are that they requested that we do wear the mask when we're interacting with the people on the island, which I can understand. They don't, you know, they don't want anything to be picked up from us, although it is a big inconvenience for us. But you got to do what you got to do. They gave us a bunch of fruit here, super good and tasty, coconuts with straws, so everything was really good. Okay, let's get back here.
Wow, thank you for showing us. Yes.
Tastes like a crayfish.
Like a crayfish. Oh.
Yeah?
Yes. That's a big one down here. Yeah. Sure is.
Get a shovel and
Friends. Well, I'm going to take a little walk through the village here. Go up and see a lot of holes in the ground for where the crabs live. So, but they stay in their holes when we walk by. We're going to walk up here. Getting hot. Hot with this mask on too, for sure. Okay. And oh, by the way, we're on the island of Lo, L-O or L-O-H, in Vanuatu, I believe. Nice corral. Oh, really fixed up very nice and neat. Another neat and clean and tidy village here. Very nice. It looks like a row houses up here coming up. Looks like somebody made a bench out of an old tree stump. And it's like this could be the backs of some houses. Here, I don't know. They got the doors closed. They actually have doors on them here. And no windows or anything. So I would think people won't live there if it's all closed in. Like that, it would be extremely hot. So yeah, there's the ocean right there. Nice little breeze right here coming in through the trees. Very nice. Yeah, little chicken up there. Free range. Look at this crazy tree here. Crazy tree. Must have been formed from wind and waves and everything back when it was growing. And it looks like, I don't know what. One tree growing, vines growing on top of another tree. Not sure what that is, but it is pretty big. That's for sure. Alright, we got chicken here. Maybe working on an egg or a baby or something. Made herself a little nest. Yeah, nothing there. Oh, it's taking a poopy.
Yeah, done a big poop. Yeah. Maybe that's
Oh.
what it was working up to.
Yeah. Oh, fireplace here. More gnarly trees that have been formed by wind and wave, I guess. All these tubes hanging from the trees. I guess these are like, I don't know what they are. Some coconuts there.
What is that?
In here. Ah, there they are down there. Okay. Yeah. Very nice. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
No. Looks like we got, I don't know what these other guys are. That's not a corn. It's something else with seeds in it. And there's a little window in there. Another chicken. Stainless steel pots. Nice to have. This one's got a screen in the window. Ah, not too many windows in there. You think it would be kind of hot, you know? So, yeah.
You think that's the bed?
Yeah, looks like beds.
it
Yeah,
could be.
looks like
Probably right.
beds, but maybe it gets cool at night. Well, we got an outrigger right here. It's in there. We got guys playing in the sand over here, and one of our zodiacs is here. Here's the entrance arch. You got the waves rolling in here. Nice blue, light color water here. And as we walk out here, I'm walking along the beach. Still got my mask on, so we got to do it on these islands. The sand is so soft. It's like powder here, soft and white. And ship is out there, the ship. So it's okay. We're going to look at the sand really close. Look at this. It's just like so soft here. It's all white. It doesn't have those coarse edges like you find out with like the sand back home. It's almost like, I don't know what, like not quite flour, but very close to it. We're going to walk along here. Got the waves coming in. Hope I don't fall. My ankle has healed up. I'm doing good. So I walk along here. Not much to the visit this time, not too much entertainment. But he said, one of the guys I was talking to, there's actually an airport where you might have seen the plane earlier on the next island over, which isn't far. And he says a lot of people go over there and they have Christmas gifts coming in. So he said a lot of people aren't here because they're going over there, I guess packages coming in on the plane or something there. Or they may go somewhere with the plane to do shopping. I don't know what. But yeah, it's pretty good there. So yeah, I'll turn around, head back in the shade here where it's a little cooler, I think. Okay.
Yeah, where was I?
Yeah.
And I just so enjoyed that.
Yeah, it's pretty exposed coast. Gonna be a little bumpy on the way back.
Yay.
I don't think
Heading back to the ship here, heading back to the Orion here for lunch, so sounds good.
breaking waves.
Coming up here into the dark blue water up ahead here,
You need to ask Alex.
so I better rig the camera for rough seas here ahead.